In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your deposit address on Binance. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just getting started with Binance, one of the first things you'll need to know is how to locate your deposit address. This address is crucial because it's where you'll send your chosen cryptocurrency from another account or exchange. So let's dive into the process together, step by step, and make it as simple and clear as possible. First, you'll need to log into your Binance account, which you can access by visiting Binance.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login option, usually found at the top right of the page. Enter your credentials, and you'll be directed to your dashboard. It's important to always use secure methods when logging in, ensuring that your account stays safe from unauthorized access. With that squared away, let's navigate to your wallet. On the top navigation bar, you'll find the option labeled Wallet. Click on this, and from the drop-down menu, select Fiat and Spot. This section of your account is essentially the hub for managing your cryptocurrency balances on Binance. Once you're in the Fiat and Spot wallet, your next step is to locate the deposit button. This might be prominently displayed or right next to the list of cryptocurrencies you own. Click on it to proceed further into the deposit process. Now, you'll be prompted to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Binance supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, so you'll see a list where you can select the one you want. Let's say you're interested in depositing Bitcoin or perhaps Tether. Simply choose BTC or USDT from this list. Double-check your selection to avoid depositing the wrong type of coin, as this could complicate your transactions. Once you've selected your cryptocurrency, the next step is all about choosing the appropriate network. This is crucial because each cryptocurrency supports multiple networks, such as ERC20, BEP20, or TRC20. Select the network that matches the one the sender is using. If you're not sure which network to choose, be sure to verify this on the sending platform to avoid potential issues. Choosing the wrong network might result in a loss of funds, so it's always better to double-check. Finally, once you've selected the network, your deposit address will be displayed. You'll have the option to either copy this address directly or scan a QR code if you're using a mobile device. It's wise to be meticulous when doing this, ensuring that the address is copied in its entirety and accurately. Mistakes could lead to coins being sent to the wrong address, and unfortunately, those funds may not be recoverable. And that's it. A step-by-step guide to finding your deposit address on Binance. Remember always to double-check your selections, as a little extra caution can save a lot of potential hassle. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.